In this project, the main goal is to build a new society model. The architecture around the JES-1 is converted into a new production model in which users produce to live in the community. The idea of a phalanstery of the socialist utopist is adapted to the post-carbon era. The new phalanstery is a changing model in which users build their utopia. The main systems to build are energy self-sufficiency, community parenting and participatory democracy are the keys to understand the logics of socialization and the topologies present in our project. These objectives lead us to make a book of rules to the newcomer inhabitant. The profile of the users bifurcate into visitants and permanent occupiers. The result is various profiles and a complex rulebook of the functions of the model. Let's start with the productive modules. These modules are associated with how the users living in Novgorod will work or interact with each module and are distributed along the housing modules that we will explain later on. The silo. The silo is the storage place for the food and byproducts that come from agriculture and livestock. The biomass plant. The biomass plant works with a chimney structure which transforms vegetal, animal and human wastes into energy via gasification processes and combustion. Novgorod Parliament. This module is the main substitute to the executive, legislative and judicial powers. It works via horizontal participative structures, and in this module is where the rules of the systems are decided and where the functioning is decided. The lower part are offices and ministries. The pavilion montage space. This space is oriented into a maker space where users can design new pavilions and architectures. It has 3D printing machines, but also a semi-automatic system of storaging panels and aluminum posts for using them in new pavilions. We keep exploring new ways to create flexible pavilions to give new works and programs to the users living in Novgorod, like this prototype for a conversational space. The users that work in the productive pavilions have their homes in the housing modules. These modules are divided into 3 domesticities. The free space module is not inhabited just with houses, but also with all the other productive spaces. The minimal dodecahedron. This module adapts to the runoffs of water, giving the topology its form. Inside it there is a minimal domesticity for the permanent and visitant users that work in Novgorod. The communal parenting. This is where the communal education takes place and where the philosophy of Novgorod shines. In this place, the caretaking activities are distributed into all the society, facilitating the education of the youngest. The free space housing. In this topology, all the productive modules are redistributed with free space to concept new modules. The final result is a complex model in which various interactions and systems take place. Thanks for watching.